This is Jan Knox from Barge, London, just showing you an overview of this lovely old Dutch barge. As we go down into the accommodation part of the boat, you can see into the boat. Here we have our engine, and then we come to the heads compartment, small basin and a toilet and a nice wet room. Forward again, and we have the bedroom, which is very cosy. Coming back down through the companionway, we have washing machine, tumble dryer, dishwasher, all the appliances that you need. And here we have the main saloon, which is extremely cosy and comfortable. The dining area, bookshelves, and this lovely seating area, which is very comfortable. In the bow of the boat, it's got a lovely homely feel to it. We have a desk, so you have room to work, some storage space on shelves, and here we have this beautiful butler sink and the cooker next to it. I'm just finishing off with the chopping block, which is used as a table, and then looking back again into the companionway where the appliances are and the door to the outside. For more details, look at www.boatshedlondon.com.